We're just harvesting turmeric. So when it comes out of the soil, it looks something like this. So after this, these all have been removed. What we basically do is, the nodes that you saw, so this is what you get outside. Then this is seed, and this you break it and you collect it separately. This was the last year's seed. This is the new seed which is formed and it will be used next year. So I've separated all, these are all seeds for next year, and this is what you get. So if you see the color, it's dark orange. And the first thing that will be done is these will be washed thoroughly so that all the mud comes out. Then they'll be dried under the sun, and then after drying they'll be grinded into powder. So we've collected here, then you can see these again. These are the seeds.